This is for Han's vlog. He likes to vlog everything. We had a cafe, and now we're going to the beach. Please don't die. So, we have arrived. I can't see you because then the screen's too dark, but I'm sure I'm capturing you. She was yelling. The pumpkin! The pumpkin? That's what I heard. She was yelling the ocean or something. And then it was really windy and we couldn't hear each other. So I heard her yelling the pumpkin the whole way. I'm like, Halloween's over. Why is she yelling the pumpkin? Oh, such a good day for the beach. Bye. Merry Christmas. I remember there's one of the shops around here, one of the art galleries around here, they have really nice painting. Oh, I wasn't recording. We are having ice cream. Are we crossing? Yes. See, look at the water. You go for a swim? With what? Jeans. With jeans. You'll drown. I love the water here. See, this is manly. Okay, you were right. I don't know what the other one was. I maxed out my zoom. I think I have a good zoom. Yeah, you don't have a good zoom. Yeah, that's a really nice view. You wanna join? I think the place to snorkeling with us. Like what is there to be secret about? That's a big camera. No, it's a tiny camera. Oh, which one? The one on the shoulder or the one in the box? The one in the box. The one in the box is tiny. Really? It's a tiny little camera, but on a full. Oh yeah. Buddy. It's all black. I'm blind. You're wearing your glasses? But still. It'll be fine. They call these water dragon. Well, according to one of the signs. That's a very long leg.
Are you jealous?
Yeah. See how awkward she is. Too embarrassed to ask. He couldn't even know how to turn it on. The water was too strong.
I think she got flustered because the guy was cute.
That's it for our one-day adventure. I missed the morning meeting and I missed an interview. Even though we're on an adventure.
Love me too much.